Taking a poop. Taking a poop. Taking a poop.
Gigi, you know not to say any of those words. Because mommy mistake is a bad word. Is a bad word. S-H-I.
Patty.
No.
Yeah.
You just don't want to eat your hamburger. Come sit back down and eat. Yes. Gianna, get over here.
Treats for me.
I need you to eat first, and then you'll have a treat. Look at that monster eating away.
Why? Mama.
Gigi.
What?
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm Jenna.
You're what?
Jenna.
Huh? Oh, never mind. You got food in your mouth.